How to change your Roblox profile picture. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process of customizing your unique avatar on the popular gaming platform known as Roblox. It is important to first ensure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Select the option labeled as Avatar. Now go to the Avatar section to gain access to the Avatar Editor. Within the avatar editor, you will discover a vast array of the options that grant you to the freedom of personalizing your avatar with a diverse selection of characters, accessories, and animations. With a simple click on the desired option, you will seamlessly integrate into your avatar's experience, allowing you to tailor it to your liking. Furthermore, you can experiment with various animations and emotes to further elevate the visual appeal of your character. While some customization items are available free of charge, there are certain premium options that may necessitate a purchase. Feel empowered to select the options that resonate with your personal style and make any necessary transactions to perfect your avatar's look. I sincerely hope that this detailed guide has provided you with valuable insights and I sincerely hope that this detailed guide has provided you with valuable insights and assistance. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.